In a world where a lab fuck up can throw society into utter horse shit and push the strength of friendship on out there pretty far. What in the hell can stop the undead from uprising now? Shed hope for all mankind.
Oh, my gun.
Just when you thought it was safe to go out to a punk rock show, directors Ern Klein and Michael Guy, some Italian motherfucker, I don't know. Zombie punk attack.
I still think last tour was worse.
Starring Brittany Nagy, Brian Hickson, and Jasper the Coleslaw. Your motherfucker's gonna die. I mean, come on now. You got a bunch of hot chicks look like they just come out of a motherfucking gun and knife show, whooping up on some zombies. I mean, come on now.